This is the 8-in-1 rechargeable electric air duster. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrives safely. Inside the package, you are going to get the instructions. You're going to get 6 different types of attachments. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a variety of different nozzles, and there's also a window breaker, which I won't be testing. It's there in case you need it. The attachments are easy to swap off and on. You just turn it, grab the nozzle that you want, line it up, and lock it into place. You're going to get a brush. This is actually kind of cool. You get a holster that clips onto your belt or pants. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use. Holds in there good. Snap it in and out. You're going to get a bag to keep everything in and about an 18-inch long USB cable, which plugs in right here underneath of this silicone cover. Because this is a rechargeable device with 2 4,000 milliamp batteries to give you 8,000 milliamps with overheat protection. You just plug it in, and these lights right here flash while they're charging, and they turn solid blue as it's going through its recharge cycle. It will fully recharge in about 3.5 hours, and you can expect about 120 minutes of runtime on the lowest speed and about 15 minutes of constant runtime on the highest speed using this slider, which I'll show you. So we've got a power button right here on the front, and on the side there's a light button. You can cycle from high, low, flashing to off. If you press and hold the button, a side light comes on. And you can cycle through high, low, red, and red flashing. And once you cycle through, it comes back to the front light again. First off, it's super lightweight, just under 10 ounces. We're looking at about 6 inches long, about 2.5 inches across the top, and the handle is about 1.5 inches thick. And it's obviously very portable. Size-wise, just to give you an idea, you can see it compared to a 6-inch cell phone right here. It easily fits into my pocket, and it's going to be good for getting into some of those harder to reach spots with a couple of these different nozzles. It has a nice ergonomic feel to it. I like the round ones, but I like the square ones too. And I like that I can stand it upright on my desk or whatever surface I'm working on. There are actually 4 magnets on the bottom of this one. The magnets aren't terribly powerful on some types of metal surfaces, but if you work off of a metal surface like a workbench, these magnets are going to give you a little extra staying power. To turn it on, you just press the button in the front. There's a slider to adjust the power level from low to high. I'm generally a full blast kind of guy, but I can see where there are going to be plenty of scenarios where you might need a gentler airspeed, like if you're dealing with delicate electronics or components that you don't want blown all over the place. They say that this high speed kicks out at 180,000 RPM. I have no way to test that here. Feels powerful enough to accomplish what I need to do around the house and around the shop here, which is cleaning off my workbench and blowing dust and debris out of the way. No problems doing that. This thing also doubles as a small vacuum, which is actually kind of neat. You go to the opposite side that you would use if you were using the blower, lock that into place, and now your power button's here. I actually used it to get into my car crevices, like in between the seat and the door, which worked out really well. When you pull this off, you can undo this section. The filter comes out and you can, blow it out and clean it, whatever you want to do with it. Just lock it back in there and you're ready for next time. So there you go, a rechargeable multi-function air duster like this one with a small vacuum and a light. Would be great for all kinds of scenarios, from cleaning off your windowsills and other chores around the house to cleaning out PCs or keyboards, appliances, your car, a tent. You could take this camping with you. The lights would definitely come in handy. You can use it to blow up inflatable rafts or whatever. I work on guitars, and it's great for getting debris out of the electronics cavity and just cleaning stuff off so I don't nick up the paint. All kinds of stuff. Very nice.